Imphal Cape Service organized a tree plantation drive at Cheirao Ching Thangmeiband today. The tree saplings plantation drive witnessed the presence of Imphal Cape Service proprietor Ngangom Premjit Meitei, headmistress Babli of Langthabal Kunja High School along with 2 tourists. Another 30 people also took part in the service. With an initiative of Go Green Mission, tree plantation drive was conducted mainly to keep the surrounding clean, not only for tourist attraction but also to maintain good environment, hygiene for everyone.
Go Green Pandam do the neck and Satari. When I see the Maka Satarim, I have Matamda, Pan Kepski, a quick lady, but driver sings in a quick Mapalam, the tourist Lagna Monavata, Kayama, Moy, the Queen of Waris Haramatunda, Mapam Zeporakana, a more a kind of Talamazaga, Amalan, high pose a quick campaign in a Satazam, and a Sito pose, not only a quick Cheirao Ching Thangmeiband, went to do war symmetry Kumba, BT Pakumba, even no look at the Papa Makata when a quick campaign is a Tani, and Anmatu, Pula, Kanda, Mapam Zalakanda, quick as I later me Pataba, Tim Amsina, Queen, Kai Bamba with the game, a Sigi campaign, as a Tabani, Dugayari, a quick Lapidi, Kangu, Singina, Sara Zutazo, the Batanama Puragazo, Mapam Sana, Piramba, Pam Sana Tambiramba, smart city Lakomatam, a quick lady, Mapalangi. Touristing Lakomatam, a quick Mapama, Pazava, Mapama, I was in